everyone. Welcome back to Easy Learn English. I'm Rose.
And I'm Jack. Today, we have a brand new listening practice episode for you. We'll go through several short, natural conversations, and after each one, we'll explain useful words and phrases.
This episode is perfect for A1 to A2 level learners. We'll speak clearly and repeat important sentences, so take your time and really listen.
If something feels difficult, don't worry. Pause, rewind, and listen again. That's completely normal, and it's actually a great way to improve.
All right, let's begin with our first conversation.
Excuse me, does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it does. It stops right in front of the mall.
Perfect. That's exactly where I need to go. How long does it take?
About 15 minutes, depending on traffic.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem at all. Have a safe trip. Let's slow down and repeat some useful phrases. Does this bus go downtown? This is how we ask if public transportation goes to a certain place.
And depending on traffic, this means the time can change because of how busy the roads are.
Let's listen to that conversation one more time at natural speed.
Excuse me, does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it does. It stops right in front of the mall. Hi, I need something for a headache. What do you recommend?
This one works really well. Take one tablet every 6 hours.
Okay, thank you. Do I need a prescription for this?
No, this one is available without a prescription.
Perfect, I'll take it. How much is it?
That'll be $4, please. Notice the phrase, "What do you recommend?" A polite way to ask for someone's suggestion or advice.
And available without a prescription. This means you can buy the medicine without a doctor's note.
Let's listen to this conversation again.
Hi, I need something for a headache. What do you recommend?
This one works really well. Take one tablet every 6 hours.
I heard you started a new job. How's it going?
It's going really well, thank you. Everyone at the office is very friendly.
That's wonderful to hear. What exactly do you do there?
I work in customer support, so I help clients with their questions.
Sounds like a great fit for you. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I really do. It's challenging, but in a good way. Let's highlight how's it going, a friendly, casual way to ask how something is progressing.
And challenging, but in a good way. This means something is difficult, but it's a positive kind of difficulty that helps you grow.
Let's listen once more at natural speed.
I heard you started a new job. How's it going?
It's going really well, thank you. Hi, I'd like to return this shirt. It doesn't fit properly.
No problem. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Would you like a refund or an exchange?
I'd like an exchange for a larger size, please.
Sure. Let me check what sizes we have available. It doesn't fit properly is a common phrase used when clothing is too big or too small.
And refund or exchange. A refund means getting your money back, while an exchange means swapping the item for a different one.
Let's listen to this store conversation again.
Hi, I'd like to return this shirt. It doesn't fit properly.
No problem. Do you have the receipt with you? Have you watched any good movies recently?
Yes, actually. I watched a really interesting mystery film last weekend.
Oh, nice. What was it about?
It was about a detective trying to solve a strange case in a small town.
That sounds exciting. I'll have to check it out.
You definitely should. I think you'd really enjoy it. I'll have to check it out is a casual way of saying, I will watch or try this.
And you'd really enjoy it. Using would here shows a polite recommendation.
Let's listen to this movie conversation once more.
Have you watched any good movies recently?
Yes, actually. I watched a really interesting mystery film last weekend. Excuse me, could you show me how to use this machine?
Of course. This one works your legs. Just sit down and adjust the seat first.
Like this?
Yes, exactly. Now push forward slowly, then release.
Got it. Thank you so much.
No problem. Let me know if you need help with anything else. Adjust the seat means to change its position to fit you properly.
And push forward slowly, then release. Useful instruction words for exercise equipment.
Let's listen again at natural speed.
Excuse me, could you show me how to use this machine?
Of course, this one works your legs. Excuse me, does this cafe have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, it does. The password is written on the receipt.
Perfect, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any trouble connecting.
Will do, thanks again.
Written on the receipt. A common place where cafes share their Wi-Fi password.
And if you have any trouble, a polite way to offer help in case something goes wrong.
Let's listen once more.
Excuse me, does this cafe have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, it does. The password is written on the receipt. Sorry I'm late. The traffic was terrible this morning.
No worries at all. What happened?
There was an accident on the main road, so everything slowed down.
Oh no, I hope everyone is okay.
Yes, thankfully it wasn't too serious. Just a small delay for everyone.
No worries at all is a friendly, casual way to say, it's okay, don't worry.
And everything slowed down. A natural way to describe traffic becoming very slow.
Let's listen to that traffic conversation again.
Sorry I'm late. The traffic was terrible this morning.
No worries at all. What happened? Do you cook often at home?
Yes, almost every day. I really enjoy trying new recipes.
That's great. What's your favorite dish to make?
Probably pasta. It's simple, but you can make it in so many different ways.
I should ask you for a recipe sometime.
Of course, I'd be happy to share one with you. In so many different ways. A phrase used to show variety or multiple options.
And I'd be happy to, a polite, warm way to agree to help with something.
Let's listen once more, at natural speed.
Do you cook often at home?
Yes, almost every day. I really enjoy trying new recipes.
All right, now let's test your listening skills. I'll read a short conversation once at normal speed. Listen carefully, and I'll explain it right after.
Ready? Here we go.
Do you know what time the museum closes?
I believe it closes at 6, but let me check to be sure.
Thanks, that would be really helpful.
No problem. One moment, please. How did you do? Let's break it down. Jack is asking about the museum's closing time, and Rose offers to check to make sure the information is correct.
Let's try one more, a little longer this time.
Hi, I think I'm at the wrong gate. Is this gate 12?
No, actually, gate 12 is just around the corner, to your left.
Oh, thank you. I was starting to worry I'd miss my flight.
You still have plenty of time, don't worry.
That's such a relief. Thank you again.
Great practice. Rose was lost at the airport, and someone kindly gave her directions to the correct gate.
Notice the phrase, "that's such a relief," used when you feel less worried after hearing good news.
Let's do a full recap of all the useful phrases from today's episode.
From the bus stop, does this bus go downtown? And depending on traffic.
From the pharmacy, what do you recommend? And available without a prescription.
From the new job conversation, how's it going? And challenging, but in a good way.
From the store return, it doesn't fit properly. And refund or exchange.
From the movie talk, I'll have to check it out.
From the gym, adjust the seat.
From the cafe, written on the receipt.
From the traffic conversation, no worries at all.
And from cooking, I'd be happy to.
That's a lot of useful vocabulary today. Try picking 3 or 4 phrases and using them in your own conversations this week.
Before we wrap up, here's your final challenge. Try creating a short conversation using at least 2 phrases from today's episode.
Write it in the comments below or simply practice saying it out loud at home.
And remember, listening improves fastest when you combine it with speaking. Don't just listen. Try using these phrases yourself.
That's all for today's listening practice episode. Great work staying focused all the way through.
If you enjoyed this format, let us know in the comments. We'll keep making more listening episodes like this one.
Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Learn English and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode.
Share this with a friend who's also learning English. Practicing together always helps.
Until next time,
Keep learning.
keep growing.